On the news tonight, the Nigerian Senate calls on military to immediately recruit additional 100,000 personnel to confront insecurity in the nation. Otumba Babatunde Alatishe of Bubiade royal family declares intention for the vacant stool of Awujale of Ijebu land. Good evening and welcome to Nta Ijebu Ode 7. I am Fatima Hassan and thank you for joining us today. The Senate is urging Nigerians and first to immediately recruit at least 100,000 personnel to tackle insecurity in parts of the country. It is also to set up an ad hoc committee to look into the funding, expenditure and outcome of the Safe School program. This and other resolutions were adopted following a motion on Monday's abduction of 25 students of Government Girls Comprehensive Senior Secondary School, Maga in Kebbi State. Senate strongly condemns the heinous act and sympathizes with families of the victims.
For the entire country, we want the country to be safe for all Nigerians, and that is why they elected us here, to make laws, resolutions, and take steps to ensure that we, in line with our constitutional duties, that lives and properties are safe.
Relatedly, Senate mourns the murder of Brigadier General Yube and other military personnel on Monday in Borno State.
Safe.
House of Assemblies from the 6 Southwest states have reaffirmed commitment to strengthen legislative collaboration, deepen democratic governance, and advance regional development across states in the geopolitical zone. The conference underscored the need to review the harmonized standing orders of all Southwest state legislatures to promote uniformity and efficiency in legislative processes, assuring the process to strengthen interparliamentary cooperation. Yemida Limo reports that the speakers under the age of conference of speakers of Southwest states reached this agreement in Abeokuta during a crucial meeting of the forum. His report.
The Southwest speakers deliberated extensively on issues of governance, national development and constitutional reforms and resolved to adopt a common position on key national matters such as electoral reform, inclusive governance, devolution of powers, state policing and security, fiscal reforms, as well as the need to strengthen local government administration. The meeting, attended by speakers from Ondo, Ekiti, Osun, Oyo and Ogun states, commended President Bola Tinubu for promoting national unity and development and Ogun State Governor, while also applauding the Southwest governors for their continued efforts in driving progress and economic growth across the region.
The meeting also underscored the need to review and harmonize the standing orders of Southwest legislatures, standing orders to enhance improved uniformity and efficiency. It was further proposed that the Southwest legislative summit be convened, and these will be hosted in Oyo State.
The speakers urged Southwest governors to engage National Boundary Commission proactively in resolving recurring boundary disputes among states to engender peace and unity, while emphasizing youth inclusion in governance with a call on all tiers of government to create more opportunities for young people to participate meaningfully in the democratic process.
Seeking for the establishment of post-legislative scrutiny units, a model that has been set by Oyo State in each state for holistic assessment of the operational gaps of laws, including the anti-open prison law and Southwest scrutiny network laws in each state to conform to the present societal realities.
The conference equally advocated improved budgetary allocation to the agricultural sector across the states in the region to strengthen food security, enhance healthy living, and promote sustainable livelihood in the region. Before departing Ogun State, they visited the Gateway International Airport, Iperu, where they commended the state government for implementing the project. In Abeokuta, Yemida Limo, NTA News.
The Nigerian Army says it will continue to enhance the clerical efficiency of its chief clerk to firm up the enduring values of discipline, diligence, and institutional memory towards sustaining administrative and operational efficiency. The Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Wahid Shuaib, gave the assurance at the Second Chief Clerk Convention at the 2nd Division Nigerian Army in Ibadan. Correspondent Oyeyinka Omole reports that the theme of the convention is enhancing clerk effectiveness in supporting Nigerian Army operations in a joint environment. The report.
Chief clerks from across commands, formations, units, institutions, and establishments of the Nigerian Army gathered at the 5 days convention to enhance their effectiveness in supporting operations in a joint environment. Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Wahid Shuaib represented, described clerical staff as a vital link in executing orders, being custodians of records and critical advisors to their officers and commanders.
As welfare evolves, some few of the role of the chief clerk, moving from the traditional record keeping to digital documentation and data-driven decision support and administrative leadership for the personnel within the chain of command.
General Officer Commanding 2 Division and the host, Major General Chinedu Inebefe, said the Nigerian Army has consistently demonstrated that good administration remains the backbone of every successful military operation.
The Chief Clerk Convention has become an important forum for capacity development and mentorship within our administrative structure. It provides a platform for chief clerks across formations to exchange ideas on record management, documentation integrity, personnel accountability, and the use of modern information technology tools.
The Nigerian Army believes that the convention offers a unique opportunity to review its clerical practices, share experiences, and develop innovative approaches that will strengthen its administrative machineries. In Ibadan, Oyeyinka Omole, NTA News.
You're watching Nta Ijebu Ode at 7, coming to you from your heritage station. We'll be going on a short break. Please stay with us.
You dey mind am? Me when I leave my house for Lagos, come go celebrate with am for Dallas. I reach there now, they take me make yeye. They go put me for one yeye corner. Hey, me, I'm a boy. All for no cake globe trotter. Hey, even self the pilot they announce say I dey for the flight now. And you know say one of them say come meet me. Tell me say make her come follow them sit down for cockpit, make we fly the plane together. Sure. This na the 3rd time today when Glow don serve me. Oh. So you want make me come up for line now, make you for run go buy your Glow Talk Master.
Free Glow Talk Master. Talk for 6 minutes and get 6 minutes free. Plus 50 megabytes of data. Free. Dial *606#. 2,000 naira for new customers. 1,000 naira for voice. Plus 1,000 naira for data.
Wonderful world of Sure Clean detergent. Oh yes, you can have a clean and bright wash with Sure Clean. Sure Clean detergent is tough on stains, gentle on your hands, and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Oh see, for clean white and all colors, Sure Clean detergent makes you shine. As you spread it all, you can see the shine of Sure Clean brightness. Now, wear your smile with pride and nothing to hide. Sure Clean detergent makes your family clean and happy. Sure Clean detergent. Happiness with every wash.
Welcome back and thanks for rejoining us. In a bid to actualize its desire to improve the infrastructure, culture and heritage of Ijebu Nation, Otumba Babatunde Alatushe of the Bubiade royal family of the Fushadua ruling house has formally declared his intention for the vacant Awujale and Paramount Dweller of Ijebu land stool. Otumba Babatunde Alatushe made the declaration during a press briefing held at Alagbala Villa, Erinwon Road, Ijebu Ode. Blessing Adewuye complete the report.
It was a gathering of royalty, family members and well-wishers as dignitaries converged for the formal declaration of Otumba Engineer Babatunde Alatiṣe for the vacant stool of the Awujale and paramount ruler of Ijebu land. In his declaration speech, Otumba Engineer Babatunde Alatiṣe pointed out that his interest in the Awujale stool was born out of his readiness to uphold the sanity of Awujale stool, as well as preserve Ijebu festivals, customs and royal lineage.
Today's press conference is an official declaration of my readiness to serve the great people of Ijebu land and kingdom as the next Awujale and paramount ruler. This decision is not based on personal ambition alone, but a deep sense of duty and call to service. Duty to our heritage, duty to our traditional structure, duty to our community, and duty to the legacy of the illustrious stool of the Awujale lineage. It is indeed sacred trust, and today I offer myself humbly, with humility, clarity of purpose, and complete dedication to uphold and elevate this trust.
Reaffirming his commitment to the continued growth and unity of Ijebu nation, Otumba Alatiṣe promised to preserve the cultural identity of Ijebu people for generations to come.
We also want to preserve and be custodians of culture and tradition. As we speak today, without even being on the throne, we've been financing and preserving and conserving the Bilikisu Sumbu grave site. Why? Because it is a potential UNESCO World Heritage Site that can be a Mecca or a Jerusalem for Ijebu Ode. There's so many things that Ijebu can work on, and with private-public partnership, we can take Ijebu to the next level. And we know by the special grace of Almighty Allah, if given this opportunity, we will work tirelessly, effortlessly, seamlessly to bring this dream to a reality.
Speaking on the character of the contestant, the vice chairman of Mushegborin House, Professor Fasi Yusuf, who commended the boldness of Otumba Alatiṣe, pointed out that Mushegborin House is one indivisible entity, hence the need for him and other prominent figures of the ruling house to support all priests with interest for the stool.
The future belongs to the younger ones, so we should encourage them. As I said, he has an impeccable credentials, and he has the knowledge, he has the network that can be utilized to galvanize Ijebu land.
Other Bubrade descendants, including royal fathers at the event, who described Otumba Alatiṣe as experienced, exposed, and widely connected, were of the view that if selected, Otumba Alatiṣe will elevate Ijebu kingdom, finding that possesses the knowledge, capacity and global connection needed to advance the socio-economic fortune of Ijebu land. In Ijebu Ode, Blessing Adewi, NTA.
Oyo Alaafin still basking in the euphoria of the commemoration of Ogun Pepe, an historical event of almost a century and a half, organized a procession night. Funke Amwale captured the exciting moment.
In a bid to recall an historical event that happened 130 years ago between the great warriors of the ancient kingdom of Oyo and the British soldiers during the reign of Oba Adeyemi Alowolodo I, when the Alaafin's palace was invaded in 1895. An endurance trek tagged Fitila Night, amongst others, was organized to commemorate the day as well as sensitize sons and daughters of Oyo land on the cultural revolution of the empire.
The candle night is to commemorate the memorization of Ogun Pepe, 130 years of invasion of the British into Oyo, called Ogun Pepe. Today makes it 130 years. And we have decided to honor the heroes.
So as we memorialize and commemorate that event, like a Fitila Night is a befitting feature of our program, so that we will show the light to the world that the light of Oyo is still shining bright.
Members of the committee of Ogun Pepe, led by its chairman and founder of the Atiba University, Oyo, Professor James Ijebu Ode, clad in white attire during the candle night procession from Owode to the Alafi's palace. The grand finale of the week-long program, which include cultural exhibition and fundraising, is scheduled to hold this Saturday.
And that completes our bulletin for tonight. Join us tomorrow for more interesting stories. Do have a wonderful night rest. Bye.
Bísí mo ti ní kó máa fara balẹ̀ ọmọbìnrin yẹn ló wò mí kí ṣe mi ni mò ń wò mi ò ṣáà ní máa dínjú rìn kọ́lá jọba mi bá Bísí sọ̀rọ̀ jẹ́ kó mọ̀ wípé òun nìkan ló lólùfẹ́ mi. Hello Bísí ó ti gé ìpè náà. Ó ti gé. Ọ̀gá please abeg me. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ bó ṣe máa ń ṣe nìyẹn o ó ní kí n yé gbóbìnrin sọ̀rọ̀ kí n yé gbóbìnrin ṣó ṣe é ṣe ni. Ẹ̀rẹ̀ dákun má tẹ́lẹ̀ inú má pẹ́ lórí ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ ń sìn. Kò sí wàhálà. Hello má jẹ́ parọ́ fún ọ ọmọbìnrin ń dúró déédéé ó rẹwà a sì jáde a ṣe nǹkan kan wọn kò jó ní o. Ọgbọ́n kí nìyẹn.
Ọ̀fẹ́ ni lórí Glowtop Master sọ̀rọ̀ fún ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́fà kó o sì gba ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́fà lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ pẹ̀lú 50 megabytes data lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ testa 606#. Àwọn oníbàárà tuntun yóò jẹ gbádùn $1,000 fún data pẹ̀lú $1,000 fún ìpè ohùn lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́.
Glow Unlimited.
Oh, what a wonderful world of SureClean detergent. Oh yes, you can have a clean and bright wash with SureClean. SureClean detergent is tough on stains, gentle on your hands, and leaves cold smelling fresh. Oh see, for clear white and all colors, SureClean detergent makes you shine. As you spread it all, you can see the shine of SureClean brightness. Now, wear your smile with pride and nothing to hide. SureClean detergent makes your family clean and happy. SureClean detergent, happiness with every wash.